welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today is another grow room update. You will not believe the amount of growth we have had in the last few weeks up in the grow room. Like, it is crazy. There's so much green. Come, let me show you. Get a little bit of a jungle vibe in here. Okay, so first tray, these are the pansies, and I potted them up into their individual soil blocks, and they're starting to get big. They're going to need to get pruned back soon. And then over here, very exciting, are the bells of Ireland. So Walla Walla sweet onions, you just got a trimming yesterday. These onions did not get great germination on that. I'm going to have to add more. And then another whole entire tray of pansies. We are going to have so many pansies this year. We're gonna go all out on our spring planting. That's going to be really exciting. And then dropping down, I have a brand new tray, and you don't know anything about any of these. These are all brand new plants that I just put into the soil a few days ago. And I had to take them out of the heat mat because they were starting to germinate, and I needed to get them under the grow light. So here I have Chinese 5-color hot pepper. And then this is the starfish, I think it's called. Variegated starfish or something like that. I can't quite read it 100%, but I do have the bag still. So these I got in a seed swap, and I did the bagging method to get them to germinate, and then popped them in the soil. So that way they would, you know, speed up. Cilantro, nothing happening there. And then we have status. So this is just mixed pastel status, and then this is apricot status. Jewels of Opar, nothing. Livingston daisy, look at that. We've got some. And they're slow growers, and they take quite a while. And then next up I have dill, and I apologize if you can't see it because it's kind of bright. One germinated there. Nothing yet on the sultan strawflower, and then the pink strawflower I have like 2 coming up. Oh, 3. Woohoo! Yay! And then down here, if you watched that video where I was potting up all my greens, they have taken off. They are super happy in here. So I have some kohlrabi. I have some, this is the micro bok choy. We have some kale. We have the purple lady bok choy. And then we have the cordunes. That's exciting. And then on the back side, I'll slide them out a little bit. These are all the cannas I started from seed. So that was in its own video, and I popped them all in the soil, and they are just happy as can be. So they're in here getting their sunlight. This tray here is all petunias. I'm gonna have to prune some of these back soon, and they're gonna be going into their 2-inch blocks not too long. Once we get the greenhouse set up too, for planting. That will really help. Okay, and then down here, so I'm gonna move these guys to this. Well, I'll start here. This is my satin sheets lettuce, and this needs to get potted up and go outside. This actually needs to just go outside soon. Stevia, it looks like I'm getting one little one there, which is very exciting. Parsley is doing good. I actually pruned some of this yesterday for my pasta sauce. Lots of basil. So I think this is just the regular large leaf basil in here, and then this is the cumin. Over here we have the remnants of the other baby pak choi. This is supposed to be romaine, but I don't see anything coming up on that. Just roots coming from the other guys. No, the romaine didn't germinate, so I'm going to have to start more romaine. And then this is my red mustard, which is really pretty. And this is the celery. And then over here I had a couple more kale that are just hanging out. And then here, wah, wah, wah. These are my impatiens. So I'm looking at 2 out of all of those. Out of 40 soil blocks, I got 2 impatiens to germinate, which is actually 2 more than I got last year, unfortunately. And then 1 geranium. Now keep in mind the geranium were seeds that I had saved myself, so maybe they just weren't as viable. So I did buy 2 more packs of geranium seeds yesterday at the seed sale. I got a pink and white. And oh my goodness! Are you kidding me? Our first flower of 2025. Look at that. Now I have this labeled as lobelia. I have this labeled as, I haven't watered these yet this morning, they're a little sad, purple lobelia. And then I have these as regular lobelia. And I wasn't even paying attention because they're kind of tucked back in there, and I realized, okay, this is lobelia, This is alyssum. So I put purple alyssum. I put purple lobelia, but it's supposed to be alyssum. And then this, like, why is that white? So I don't know what happened with that. We have 2 rose mallows that are doing, nope, only 1 rose mallow. 1 rose mallow that came up, Levatara, and then the Zebrina, I've got 3 of those are doing all right. So, okay, I gotta get water on those. They're doing fantastic. We got our coleus. That's gonna need to get, we can pot that up soon. Over here, this was also from a seed swap. This is the Lily Liss tomato. And actually, so this is the yarrow. I think it's the pastels yarrow. And then we have all of our tomatoes. So we have Tumbling Tom. We got 4 or 5 of those. We have Canary, and this one is enormous. And I have 2 of those. I don't know what happened to the other seeds, but Orange Hat, I moved to another tray because it was getting totally crowded out down here. Bahaha, Bonsai, and Tiny Tim. So those are doing good. And then spinning it around, I'm really excited. We have Snapdragons, so these are going to get pruned back. These are my Apple Blossom Snaps, and then these are the mixed Snapdragons, and they are just fantastic. They're so happy. Look at underneath the leaves, that's so pretty. And then my begonias, so yeah, I overseeded because these seeds were so tiny. If you watch that video, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know how many hundreds hundreds of seeds. So these are the regular begonia. It just said begonia. These just said begonia. And then here, these were the ones that said angel wing begonia. So I will be getting a few of those. So these are going to have to get, I mean, they can stay in the soil blocks at this stage. And they are slow growers, but I'm going to put them in a new tray of the mini soil blocks because they need their own mini soil block. Okay, and then the pepper side. Now the basil here is getting a little bit burnt. And this, oh, is this, I gotta smell it. Oh my God, it is! Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is taking so long to germinate. And then I thought, what if it's something else? And it's not. But this is strawberry mint. And just that little tiny piece smells so good. The seeds smell amazing. So I'm so excited. Okay, Piccolino basil. I actually started some more seeds because I only have that one sad little one. And it looks like it got burnt. I don't know. It must have been too close to the light before I moved it, unfortunately. Poor little guy. Hopefully he survives, but I did drop a few more. Then I have the lemon basil here, which is doing fantastic. And then cilantro. The cilantro doesn't want to germinate this year. I don't know what is going on. I'm very upset. And then we have some jalapenos. So the first one here is called, this big one is called Full Dew jalapeno. So I'm hoping that means it's not spicy. It's like a not a pinot kind of a thing, which would be fun to try. And then those 2 at the back just said jalapeno. This one is strawberry jalapeno. And look at the color on it. Here, I'll push it in here so you can see a little better. So this is strawberry jalapeno. So that's cool. Next up, I have giant jalapeno, which is ironically the smallest plant, but I think it just took the longest to germinate. And then I have orange spice and pumpkin spice jalapeno. And I met these pepper people, pepper merchant at the CD Saturday yesterday, and he said the pumpkin and orange spice are amazing jalapeno. So I'm really excited for that. Next up, I have early jalapeno. Then I have, now we're on to the ahi. So this is pico ahi. This is pineapple ahi, and it looks like I've got 1, 2. Looks like I got 2. Yay. Oh, and a third coming up. And then here I have 1 peach ahi and 2 strawberry ahi. So that's what germinated out of the peppers. So that's really exciting. So those are my hot peppers for the season. And I'll probably be starting my sweet peppers very, very soon. And I actually got a Lesia pepper from the pepper merchant guy because I've been really wanting to try that. So anyways, and then the back side of the peppers, we have lemon ahi, Thai, hot Thai pepper, small mystery pepper. And I have a feeling they are not all the same because the 3 here do not look anything alike, but whatever. Poblano, we got 1 little one, so cute. Chiroroxa, we got a couple. Cayenne, always an overachiever. Sugar Rush Red. Dattel, that's kind of scary. It's supposed to be pretty hot. Sugar Rush Peach Red. And that's right, these are the red cherry. And then I have 2 Jamaican hot chocolates that just germinated. They took their sweet time. And then the Pasilla Bahia, nothing yet. And I did Oh, here it is. There's my orange hat tomato. I tucked it in over here because it was just getting crowded out on the other ones. That is the grow room update for March 9th, I think it is, 2025. So these little guys, they've been here for about a month at the most. I think I started everything kind of beginning in February, right? So some stuff's been started sooner than others, and everything seems to be doing pretty darn good. So really happy with that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see what else I'm going to be starting, because March is a big seed starting month here as well. Thanks. Bye.